AMD Ryzen 5 7600X 3D 6-core 3DV cache CPU exclusive to certain retailers, Microcenter in US and Mindfactory in Germany. AMD Ryzen 5 7600X 3D 3DV cache CPU comes to Germany at Mindfactory, exclusively sold in US by Microcenter. AMD has adopted an interesting approach with some of its recent Zen 4 CPU release by making them available through certain retailers. An example of this is the Ryzen 5 5600X 3D, which was sold in the US markets only through Microcenter. Similarly, the new AMD 5 Ryzen 7600X 3D CPU, which was previously said to be exclusive to the same retailer in the US, Microcenter, for $300, is now available at the Germany retailer factory Mindfactory, which is a good thing for German gamers who want a new budget AM5 option with 3DV cache. The AMD Ryzen 5 7600X 3D is a 6-core CPU with a base clock of 4.1 and boost clock of 4.7. The Zen 4 CPU features a massive 96 MB L3 cache through the 3DV cache technology, meaning consumers are expected to witness gigantic performance bumps, especially in single-threaded performance. The processor is said to be compatible with AM5 motherboard, hence allowing cross-compatibility even for users who have switched to a Zen 5 platform and want to have a taste of the new 3DV cache processor. Interestingly, Microcenter themselves have benchmarked the CPU in gaming scenarios, notably Cyberpunk 2077 and F1 2023, and the Ryzen 5 7600X 3D manages to put itself up against the Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, but still lags behind in some instances. Overall, the Ryzen 5 7600X 3D is a great option for the budget segment, and given the popularity of the X3D SKUs among us consumers, we do believe that the Ryzen 5 7600X 3D might be a great option. In terms of pricing, the CPU will retail at $300 along with the bundle deal. They includes 32GB DDR5 6000 memory kit and an SSB 650 motherboard for $450, while at Mindfactory it is available for €329. We are unsure about the global availability for now, but the CPU will certainly be available in the US and Europe. We might see the processor available at exclusive retailers in these regions.